Swamiji, on the subject of Shivalingam, we often see a dripping stream of water, or people offer milk and so on. What is the significance of this?
It is said Alankara Priyo Vishnuhu, Arghya Priyo Suryaha, and Abhisheka Priya Shivaha. So Shivji likes Abhishek, and we do what Bhagavan loves. So Abhishek is offered. Why does Bhagavan love Abhishek? The simple fact is, when a stream of water is poured, continuously the water flows. Water is a symbol of purity, water is a symbol of detachment, and water is a symbol of life itself. So when the Abhisheka is offered, it is a symbolic gesture to the mind that may your thoughts flow continuously towards the divine, and may you be anchored in purity and detachment. And so when we offer Abhishek, we are doing this, that how the water pervades the linga, like that my thoughts must pervade the divine, and may I have divine thoughts. And that's why beautiful mantra from the Veda says, Tanme manaha Shiva sankalpamastu. May this mind of mine have auspicious, noble thoughts. And also thoughts connected to the divine, to make me understand that my nature is Shiva Tattva. So that Shiva who is inside me, external Abhisheka when I am offering, it is actually Abhisheka happening to the linga within. Atma Linga it is called. Saints said a very beautiful thing, that if you remember this every day when you take bath, that Shivlinga is in you, you are Shiva, he is in your heart. Every mug of water you are pouring is an Abhisheka on you. Then every act of taking bath itself will become an Abhisheka. So that is one reason why we do Abhishek. Second reason why we do Abhishek also, like you said, milk, etc. is offered. So the Puranas, they give different significances of different dravyas that are offered. If milk is offered, one attains longevity. If honey is offered, one attains prosperity. Like that, freedom from sickness. So milk, honey, curd, ghee, all those different items, 11 items will be offered to Bhagavan Shiva. That is also because we understand that whatever we have is a blessing from Bhagavan, and we offer it to Bhagavan. Those who have sakama desires, they have desires, they will do this to get certain benefits. In every temple, there will be some or the other way Abhisheka will happen. Because literally it is to worship the Shiva Tattva, it is to worship consciousness. That the whole Murti will be pervaded by that, whatever dravya is being offered. So Abhisheka is actually an act to make us realize that I am not finite, I am infinite. That's the main purpose why Abhisheka is done. If you like this content, then please comment, share and follow Chinmaya Shivam.